One.
Good morning, afternoon. How do you do? Good morning, Janur. I am doing great. Thank you. And what about you? I am okay. By the way, you had been absent about this. What happened to you? I had been suffering from common cold and fever. Oh, you miss argument classes? Yes, it is. But my mom tried to back it up at home. By the way, you all enjoyed the classes, didn't you? Yeah, but you missed lots of. Have you heard about our first email post? My pleasure. I miss all of you too. Yesterday, I heard about the post. Of course, you will be enjoyed greatly. You know, I like to play Russia, running, football, and so on. And what about you? Well, running functions favorite one. Besides, I like to play football, disco, and so on. Nice to talk to you. Thanks for giving your time. My pleasure. I like to talk to you too.